A warm welcome to you and thanks for joining us for another game live on EA TV. Guy Mowbray with you for commentary, delighted to be joined by Sue Smith. And with the atmosphere building up nicely, what a match this promises to be. How do you see this one going then, Sue?
Well, thanks, Guy. It's great to be here. I think it's going to be a really good game today. Both teams will be well up for it, so hopefully we're in for a treat.
Eder Militao. Rudiger now. Mendy. On to Rudiger. Militao. Now Carvajal. Rodrigo. Toure. Johan Cruyff. Isak. Eder Militao. Rudiger now. Valverde now. Vinicius Junior. Keeping it nicely, waiting for the chance to get themselves in front. To put them ahead. And there's the opener. The all-important first goal of the game.
Well, here we can see it again, and he probably won't get an easier finish than that. But there was never any doubt that he'd put that one away.
So off we go at 1-0. Rafa Leao. They're not getting close enough here. Well, it looked promising, but only up to a point. Eder Militao. Now Vinicius Junior. Tchouaméni now. Jude Bellingham. Federico Valverde. This is really nice. Another goal now would mean real control. Toure. Johan Cruyff. So half-time is fast approaching, and it's advantage Real Madrid, but only just, Sue.
Yeah, it's a close one, this, Guy. It's a difficult one to call. I think they'll be the happier of the two sides, though, going in front, but it's marginal. They'll need a little bit more in the second half.
Valverde. Tchouaméni. On to Rodrigo. And the referee's whistle brings the first 45 minutes to a close.
Coming up past time, don't forget, we'll be having the Lucky Raffle, and also don't forget the Lucky Programme.
Off we go, the second half underway. Rafael Leao. They could level it here. It looked good. It was teed up nicely, but not for a shot like that. Dani Carvajal. Played back to Courtois. And Real will get the throw. Vinicius Junior. Aurelien Tchouaméni. Federico Valverde. Now Rodrigo. Now Bellingham. Alexander Isak. Mendy. Vinicius Junior. Vinicius Junior. Big chance here. And they've scored again. That puts them further in front. What a position to be in.
Here we can see it again, and this is really good strength. He uses his body well, and once he gets a yard, he finishes it nicely. Really good composure.
So the lead is now 2 as the game restarts. Yaya Toure. Toure. And back with Courtois. Rodrigo. This is Mbappe. Now Rodrigo. Kylian Mbappe. Bellingham. Switched on and ready to intercept that. Making deep. Has to be. Well, there's another. And they're running away with it now.
Well, if we watch this again, you can see he's under all sorts of pressure, but still manages to keep his cool, and he finishes it off well.
So the game restarts, the result in no doubt, and what a display this has been. Toure. A really good interception to take the ball.
The referee has indicated there will be a minimum of 1 minute of added
Enrico
time.
Valverde. So that will do it for today, and it's the Real Madrid fans who go home the happier. Sue, your overall impression?
Well, it was a very assured performance, wasn't it? Particularly impressed with their play going forward. They were really